A mysterious, clicking sound detected thousands of feet below the surface of the Pacific Ocean has revealed fascinating insights into the elusive sperm whale. Population in California. The endangered giant sperm whale, which is the loudest animal on the planet, is rarely spotted in Monterey Bay, Central California, and is difficult to study due to their lengthy, deep dive capabilities. But a hydrophone, underwater microphone, embedded in the seafloor and linked to the Monterey Bay Aquarium, Research Institute in Moss, Landing made an incredible discovery after recording audio from as far as 100 miles away over 7 years.